2024 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 37,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, panoramic roof, moonroof. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.